Hey, Dustin Tibbetts with Passport to Wall Street, and today we're doing our trade of the week. So the trade of the week is actually going to be on a name that has had a series of news events that have made the stock go back and forth, but ultimately we're going to look bullish. So the stock is Kroger, and Kroger is a grocery store, but they've had a lot of interesting things happen, and the chart also looks bullish in my opinion. So let's take a look. Here is what we have. We've got Kroger in the last few days. Now what we're looking at here is a daily chart. In the last few days, Kroger has had a series of announcements. One, that they were going to challenge Visa's rates. So when you go to Kroger and you use your credit card or debit card, they said that, hey, Visa is charging us too much for that transaction fee, and so we're going to get rid of those, the ability to use Visa in 21 of our stores and 5 of our gas stations. So the stock traded back and forth a little bit. Then Kroger came out yesterday and said, hey, we are going to start a grocery delivery service, sort of keeping up with Safeway and some of the other names that are doing the same thing. And so now the stock has come back towards these highs. What's interesting is the stock has basically remained near the highs through all this sort of recent market activity. Well, in my opinion, I think that technical traders believe that this 31.50 will be the next target and possibly beyond that. So here's the good news. Normally, we find creative ways to get long and short stock because they're rather pricey, and sometimes we'll use options and different trades like that. This time, since the stock is only $30, here is one of those opportunities where we can just buy the stock and shoot for about $1.50 in profit. Now, here's how you're going to do it. You can buy the stock anywhere right around here, which is about $30. Now we're going to look for a price target of $31.50, but as a first price target. I think the next price target should be over $32, as there's excitement, and it pushes it over those highs. So in reality, what you're going to do is have an initial entry price of $30. You could put a stop loss under these lows at about $28.50, makes it more of a one-for-one trade, meaning you lose $1.50, make $1.50, but the $1.50 is only for half of the position. If it gets to that point, I would make a suggestion to sell half your position, and then anything over 32, squeeze a little bit extra out of the play. So the play is Kroger to actually be long the stock from $30 all the way up to $31.50 for half the position, and then sell the other half just over 32. If the news continues and the bulls keep coming to that stock, seeing that new opportunity, well, that could be just what's needed to push the stock higher. I hope this helps. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you make a profit. We'll talk to you soon.